24V 96W driver with built-in wiring chambers from Light by Lotus. 24V 96W driver with built-in wiring chambers for line and low voltage connections. 120V to 277V input, triac dimmable to 5%. Approved for wet locations. Ambient temperature from -40°F, -40°C, to 140°F, 60°C. Built-in power factor correction, short circuit, overvoltage, and overheat protections. 0.5 seconds start time. Compliance: UL listed, Class 2, Class P LED driver, Type HL. 7-year warranty.